Okay, so guys, welcome over here. So this is how to fix Candy Crush Saga game not working. So if your Candy Crush Saga game is not working, just go to your phone menu and scroll down. You're gonna see settings. Just tap on the settings app. After that, you're gonna be around this place. So what you have to do next is to tap on the apps and notifications. After doing this, tap on see your apps. After doing this, you have to search for the Candy Crush Saga game. So in this video, I'm going to use an app to replace the Candy Crush Saga game, which is a demo app. So let me search for the demo app. So as you can see, this is my demo app. So just search for Candy Crush Saga game. Don't search for a demo app. So when you find it and it appears like this, just tap on the Candy Crush Saga game. After that, when it opens like this, tap on force stop, then you tap on OK, then you tap on notifications, then you toggle it on. It's really important. After that, check the mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restrictions. You turn on the background data on. After that, when you turn it on, you check the permissions and make sure everything is allowed over here, which is really important. After doing this, tap on the storage and cache, then you click the cache, then tap on storage. So you click the storage by clicking on OK. After that, you go back. Then after going back, what you have to do next is to restart your device. You tap on all your power button for some while, and you're going to see restart or reboot. Then you tap on it, then you tap on OK. When it's not working perfectly after restarting it, please check the update on Play Store to see whether it have been updated. When it have been updated, what you have to do is to just click on the update to update your Candy Crush server game. I hope this really helps. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. See you in the next one.